Hello guys, Namaste, welcome back to our channel. This is my daughter Aaradhya.
And this is my dad, Mickey.
సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు నేను ఆరాధ్య కలిసి మీకోసం ఒక మంచి వీడియో తీసుకొస్తున్నాము. సో ఆ వీడియో ఏంటో మీరు చూడాలనుకుంటున్నారా? సో ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ ద వీడియో టిల్ ద ఎండ్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. చేస్తారు కదా? చెయ్యండి ప్లీజ్. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. కింద ఉంటుంది. First take 3 match boxes. Now apply the glue on match boxes. Now take this, put on this. Now again apply the glue. Now take this box and put it on it. Let's get this dry some time. Cut all the shades with help of your parents. Take a mirror, attach to this to help this glue. Put these boxes on this. Take the second one and put the glue on this. Attach to this. Take this, apply glue and put it on this.
2, 3.
Take this another piece and then apply the glue and put here. Now stick it on the bottom side. Take this piece, stick it on the back side like this. Wow, this is how it looks. Look at this, I have 3 golden balls. Stick the balls here. Stick like this, see. Now paint this. Take this mirror and stick it right here. While you close it. Now this is how it looks like.